Hi everyone and welcome to Closet Conversations. I've kind of lost track of which episode we're at now because of I traveled and I filmed some episodes ahead of time, and then I got too caught up in order to share at the time. So I don't know which episode this is, but of course it will be listed there. So, welcome. I'm Gianna, your closet conversationalist. I put out videos every week. We talk about closet organization, renovation, although it's still not organized yet. But data did come back, so I will be able to show you that. And yeah, so we talk about luxury, fashion, art, that sort of a thing. If that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe, turn on the bell. Join the conversation, comment below, share it with whoever you know loves this kind of content. And let's get into it. So today I have, so remember I traveled. So I have an unboxing, maybe more than one unboxing because, the Yayoi Kusama collaboration drop 2 took place. So, I had to get into that one because I'm very interested in it. It's still taking a beating online, this whole viewpoint on the whole collection. And I don't know. I just feel like it's one of those things, if you know, you know. Everybody's talking about quiet luxury now, and I feel like, well, some of her pieces might just be quiet luxury since they're not for everyone, But before we move on, before we do anything else, let's just do the unboxings, right? So I have one. Oh, this got damaged in transit. It's really hard getting the stuff here, like in the boxes and stuff to do the unboxing. So that's what's going on. So before we let's just do it, right? So, so here we go. She put it in white for me. I had white ribbon, I think white and green on the last one. Like they did it up really nicely. This one is white. This one is not really a true unboxing. I think my husband wrapped it back so that I can unbox it because we celebrated our anniversary while we were gone, and I used one of the pieces. Does that give it away? I used one of the pieces when we went out. But okay, so I'm taking off the ribbon. Here we go. And it has the pumpkin. Like before, we've done this. This is not our first rodeo, right? So it says Louis Vuitton by Yayoi Kusama 2023. And it comes in the ordinary orange box from before. I call it ordinary because Louis Vuitton used to have some really fabulous brown boxes that I was in love with. So it was brown on brown, like it was a dark brown writing on a dark brown box. I don't think no, they weren't. At the time, they weren't magnetic, so this is magnetic, right? So that's an upgrade, but I really wish they kept the brown boxes because I really liked those. Anyway, I don't know how in here looks because remember I wore this, so let's see. Oh yeah, it's not cute. But here we go. So it has the pumpkin on so it's a special dust bag, right, that you've seen before, I'm sure, if you've watched any of these unboxings. So, and this one is, you guys are gonna kill me for this one. Remember I told you that this one was more bang for your buck because this one is leather. It's the Kirigami pouch set. So remember I said it's more bang for your buck because it's actually leather. Well, I influenced myself to get it because it really is a good deal. It really is. It really, really is. So you get this one as the biggest size. I wore this as a bag on my anniversary. So I actually, if if I can find the chain, I'll show you all about what I did. Okay, so here's the chain. Okay, and this is the medium size. And this is the small size. And these are all the colorways of her prints. This is called the Infinity Dots Kirigami. It's Infinity Dots. She's known for her Infinity Dots. The first one, remember my sunglasses? Those were the painted dots. This is the Infinity Dots. And basically with the Kirigami, they fit all in together. So I have some inserts in here. So let me just take them out to show you. Because I just owned this piece. Let me just tell you. So to put them in, hold on. I'm showing you. Right. So this is how they come. They are the pouch. You open it up and it has Yayoi Kusama, Louis Vuitton by Yayoi Kusama 2023. And then the middle one comes out and it has the same thing. Right? And then the small one comes out. It's really cute. And it has the same thing. Right. So, but I found this amazing conversion kit on Amazon. It'll be linked in my storefront. Where you can get the felt conversion kit organizer type deal in all the sizes. Normally you can only find 1 or 2 sizes. This one has all 3 sizes. And basically it has the grommet, it has the space in it, so you can put the stuff to protect the inside of the bags or of the pouches. But then the grommet allows you to go ahead and attach a chain or a strap, whatever you have. And it turns it into a bag. So let me do it with the biggest one for you, because that's how I wore it on my anniversary. I think I have pictures too, maybe even a reel. Maybe I'll do a short with it. But you put the chain, let me show you. Here. So you put the chain through here. And you do it again here. Right? Right? And then you close it up. And it's a bag. Right? That is so cool. I use a silver chain because this particular kirigami has silver hardware, but I have a black chain as well for, like, you know, when they have the black hardware, and I have a gold one as well for gold hardware. But yeah, so I'll link this kit because this kit is super handy. And I just love it. I love this kirigami set. I was telling you about it. I've mentioned it quite a few times. And I was thinking everybody else should get it. But then when I saw it in person, I was just like, I think I'm going to get it. So I got it. So, and I have as I say, I have the kit with all the sizes. So, and don't sleep on this size. This size can fit. I traveled recently with one from another one, and it can fit 4 passports easily. And I use it as a little pouch. It can catch all things. And then this little one is for like cards or lip balms, anything like that. It's so cute. So she had done, if you notice the collection, the Infinity Dots were in these 3 colorways. And you could have gotten an Alma, or you could have gotten whatever. This is epi leather. This is also the diagonal epi leather. I own nothing in diagonal epi leather. Everything I owned was in like east west, and I have a few epi leather pieces, but nothing. I've not ever gotten one like this. And the epi leather, this one is softer, and I guess the indentation is not as deep. I think that's nice for the pouch. I don't know how it is for a bag, because like my bags felt strong and sturdy because of all that. But this is like, well, it probably also was heavier. So I don't know. But this one, yeah. So now, I don't know, they've been talking about quiet luxury a lot. And I feel like it's like, oh, things that most people don't have or things that don't bear logos and stuff. And what I've noticed about this collection is that most of her things don't have the logo. And if it does, they're kind of obscured. But this has no logos on it at all. Right? So it's just the dots, the infinity dots. This is where it goes into infinity. And I took Johnny to her show. There are 2 add-ons. Remember, I told you about the Rubel Museum. Actually, the Perez Museum as well has a show, but I didn't make it. But I think it runs through December. So I'm definitely going to make it sometime before December. But these if you go into her infinity rooms, like I've said before, the dots go on forever, for infinity. So this is kind of how this is, and I am in love with it. So yeah, I was a little bad with this one because, you know, this was not planned, right? So let me know what you think about this collection. I'm doing these in short videos so that it's easy for you to just catch them and move right along and tell me about what you think. So thanks so much for having the conversation with me. What do you think of the infinity dots? Better than the painted dots? Are you starting to warm up to the collection? What's happening? This was actually from drop 1, guys. This is what I was talking about from drop 1. So it's just because I was there for drop 2 and I was just like, you know, yeah. So, in my next video, I'll do drop 2. I'll do what I got from drop 2. All right. Thanks so much for having a closet conversation with me. See you soon.